back to the channel. Well, today's the day we're going to announce the winners for the second anniversary of the channel. We have 5 prizes to give away. We have the oak platter that we made a couple of weeks ago. We have the turning tools from Record Power. We have the CA glue assortment from O3A. A wonderful set of sanding discs from Yandles. And some colours from Let's Resin as well. Now the winners are going to be announced at the end of this video. I don't know who they are yet, so if you haven't been contacted, don't worry, it doesn't mean that you haven't won. Right, the way this is going to work is that we've got one name chosen from the last 17 qualifying videos. That was done via a random picker, which is just an app on the internet. Those 17 names will go into another app, which will then choose the 5 winners for these prizes. After that, you'll see if you've won or not, then I shall leave it up to you to contact me, and we will get your details and then we'll send them off. In case there are any scams going on at the moment, I will not ask for postage, I will not ask for any money or anything like that. So if you are contacted by anybody asking for money, then that's not me, that's not the way I work. So this is the second anniversary giveaway for the channel, and it's been an incredible couple of years so far. We've seemed to have gone through so much in our time together. And first of all, I'd like to thank you all for your immense amounts of support that you've shown, especially at the time when it was really difficult, when we were forced to get out of our last workshop and home and move into this new one. And this new one's proving to be quite nice. I'm enjoying the space. I've got 2 sheds which I have now filled up completely, so I might need to get a third. We do have some more equipment coming, which we will be setting up in the very near future, and you're going to see something new to the market, which is going to be launched in May. So you'll get to see that hopefully towards the end of April. A few other bits and bobs coming. We have a new partner coming on board, which I'm really excited about. We're sorting out a few videos at this moment, and hopefully they're going to be very informative and very useful for you all. But anyway, this isn't the reason why you're here. You're here to see if you've managed to win a prize. So I shall swap over now to voiceover Mike, and he'll go through the winners. But apart from that, thank you very much indeed for watching. I wish you the very best of luck. I shall see you next time. Thank you.
Hi everybody. Right, let's get started choosing the winners. We've got a window open here for a random picker. What I'm going to do is replace the default text with our list of winners. We have Nikki White, Mark Duggan, David Thornton, Jay Sprankle, Ray Driver, Cynthia Hampton Price, Funny Time 13, Susan Lee, Ron Town, Rusty Sawblade, Berta, Nicholas Davidson, Megala 510, Lucy Conger, Albert Anderson, Vinnie Marshall, and Tracy Branham. They're all the winners for the last 17 videos. So what's going to happen now, I'm going to hit this button and it will choose a winner for the first prize, which will be the O3A CA glue pack. Okay, you ready? And the first winner is the Berta. Congratulations, well done. If you get in touch with me, and I will get the CA glue off to you. All right, I'll press it again. This is a random chooser, so if the same name comes up again, then we will skip to the next name that hasn't been chosen yet. Okay, I'm not going to allow one person to win more than one prize. The next prize is for the sandpaper pack from Yandles, and the winner is Ray Driver. Congratulations, Ray. Okay, we're on to the next one. This is for the wood turning tools from Record Power, and the winner is Rusty Sawblade. Congratulations, Rusty. Those tools will be on the way to you as soon as you get in touch and send me your address. Okay, the next prize is for the set of colours from Let's Resin, and the winner of those is, sorry, we can't have the Berta. You've already won a prize, so we'll do that again. And the winner is Albert Aronson. I really hope I've pronounced that correctly. So if you can send me your details, Alba, and I'll get the colours off to you. And now for the final winner, and this is for the oak platter. And the winner is Tracy Branham. There we go. There's our winners. Commiserations to the people on this list who weren't chosen. I do apologise, but I can only give so many prizes away. Better luck next time. For the winners, well done. If you drop me a line, we'll get these prizes off to you as soon as we can. But apart from that, thank you very much indeed for viewing. I shall see you all next time.